Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Wednesday, December 16th. This video is going out to 4th through 8th grade. I know I've been kind of mixing it up this week. Monday, there was K5, 6, 8. Yesterday, K8. Today, mixing it up again. Anyways, I got a couple things I want to show you. One thing I want to tell you about, and a huge shout out to 4th through 8th grade. So let's go ahead and start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, first thing I want to show you is this. Shout out to the middle schoolers who helped with the spirit days and plan all of this stuff. Look at this. Our first completed door, and it's a reindeer stable. 3rd grade, they all made little reindeer, and look at the sign there. It says, "Don't feed the reindeer." It looks so nice. I'll show you some more pictures as some more people finish up this week, but I thought you'd like that. And here's my shout out for you, 4th through 8th graders. As of this morning, we had the most people on track with PFAs that we've had all year long, even though we had some people that had to switch to distance learning this week. Weird things happened. Also, some people last week found out that I was good. I thought I had everything green, and then the line passed, and now I had some more reds. As of today, 30% of our kids are on track with all of their PFAs. Nice job. That's amazing. And I love how it shows me that academic tenacity that we talked about. You're not letting this or any other thing get you down. Every little thing, hard thing that comes up, you're just finding a way to overcome it. Nice job. Okay, quick discussion topic about joyfulness. I just want you to share out one fun but kind of weird thing that your family does at Christmas, okay? So don't say we always set out cookies for Santa. Okay, everybody does that. Tell us the thing that your family does that's kind of strange. People with Mrs. Siegel, you're in luck. She probably has a bunch of stories. I'll tell you one to get everybody started. One of my favorite things to do as a kid at Christmas time was we would go over to my grandparents' house and do all the big Christmas, and it was everything that you would think of, right? There'd be a big meal, presents, all that, whatever. That's what I'm not telling you about. The thing I loved was all of us kids and all of my uncles would go out and play a huge game of basketball. At some point in the day, we would all end up out there on the basketball court, and we just have this huge, giant game of basketball. I remember as a kid thinking, my uncles are so good at basketball, and I can't wait till I can shoot like that. And we just have this big, fun game and just get all sweaty and rowdy, and it was awesome. All right, take a few minutes, talk to your class. What do you like to do at Christmas? What's that thing that your family does that's just something about your family? Have a great day, Achieve. See you later.